Welcome to our channel Time to Shine. Learn it once, remember it always. In today's video, we are going to start with the very first topic from employability skills of grade 10 IT, which is communication skills. These are the contents from communication skills. And students, I would like to inform you that questions in board exam will be asked only from the 5 sessions. You don't have to worry about the grammar part, which is writing skills of session 6 and 7. Okay, so what is happening here? Yes, you're right. Communication is happening here. What do you mean by communication? Communication is nothing but the act of exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, or feelings. From which language do you think the term originated from? The word communication comes from the Latin word communicare and the meaning to share. Next, why should I learn about communication? Because being able to communicate effectively is one of the most important life skills. Communication basically has three important parts. From the previous image, you could have come to a conclusion who all are involved in the communication. You're right. There should be a sender who transmits the message through one medium or another. There should be a receiver who listens or who understands the message. And the receiver conveys their understanding in the form of feedback. This is how the communication cycle completes. So, transmission, listening, and feedback. These are the three important parts of a communication cycle. Now, let me look at the communication process and the elements involved. Take a look at the person to the left side. So, she started the communication, which is transferring through a channel. Okay, either she can communicate in the form of speaking or writing. Now, the other person on the right hand side understood the message and he replies to it. Here you can see two terms, which is coding and decoding. Coding is nothing but the process by which the sender converts their thoughts, ideas into a message, and they can use words or symbols or gestures or any other form. Now, decoding is a process in which the receiver understands the message sent by the sender. So, which are the elements of the communication process? Let's take a look at an example. So, there is a sender who's typing a message. So, now the channel is through mobile phone. Now, the receiver receives the message. The sender is asking, movie starts at 9. Can you drive us? And the receiver is giving a feedback. Yes, be there by 8:30. So these are the elements: a sender, a channel, receiver, and feedback. Hope you understand from this image. What are the different methods of communication? So a person will choose the method based on the necessity. In the first image, you can see a face-to-face informal communication. Okay, so there is nothing better than a face-to-face communication, as it helps the message to be understood clearly, and also you will be able to see the body language of the other person. And the other best thing is, as soon as they ask a question, you can immediately reply according to the question. Now the second one, email, most of us are using it in a day-to-day basis. So when it is an employer or a student when you have to inform something officially, then we use email. Not only officially, even if you would like to share some files to your friends, you use email. And why are we going for this option? Because it offers flexibility, convenience, and low cost. Just by having an internet connection and a laptop or a mobile phone, you will be able to send email. The third one, notices or posters. When some message should go to a large group of people, then this option is very effective. For example, change in the lunchtime, or there is a sale in so and so company. For that, we can use posters. Next one, business meetings. So, in this meeting, a person will be addressing a group of people. This is a type of communication. And we have other methods as well, like social networks, messaging, phone call, newsletter, blog, etc. So, as I said before, choosing the right method of communication should be based on your target audience, cost, kind or type of information, urgency or priority. This is an important 2-mark question, students. Let us look at the multiple choice questions. Do remember there can be multiple choices. Which of the following is not an element of communication? The options are channel, receiver, sender, time. Yes, you are right. The answer is time. It's not a part of communication cycle. The second one, you need to apply leave at work. Which method of communication will you use? Email, poster, newsletter, blog. Correct answer is email. By which action can senders send their message? What do you think is the correct answer? Identify the answer and do reply in the comment box. In the next video, we will learn about the different types of communication. Thank you.